quality which we did achieve here was absolutely in line of our expectation.
We are very happy to be in Serbia and to make series here.
The future of the audiovisual content will be more and more short and animated. And you are in the right place.
Yeah, I'm actually blown away.
When we started, I was very confident about that we will be successful on what we are doing, but I was not sure on the timing.
Poslovanje Jakovino Studiosa u Republici Srbiji počinje 2020. godine potpisivanjem memoranduma o razumevanju sa Ministarstvom privrede Republike Srbije i potpisivanjem memoranduma o saradnji sa produkcijskom kućom Arhankel Digital Studios u vlasništvu Miloša Bikovića.
My first thought when someone mentions the Jakovino Studios, I think of a new adventure. I think of a young but enthusiastic team. I think of a new beginning with unlimited potential.
You know, and talent is something natural. No? I think it's something which is deep in the culture here and in the country.
We have so much potential which are not yet discovered for the international market.
In Serbia, we are not only doing a service. We are creating from here the content from scratch. We are doing the script writing here, the storyboarding, design, the asset, the post, the music. We are basically making local movie director to direct Johnny Depp via Johnny Path. This is amazing.
Prošle godine započeli smo i završili 54 epizode Puff is Impossible sa Johnny Deppom u glavnoj ulozi.
I think the first impression was shock at how every angle is covered. There's a dedication that really amounts to a bunch of people all working for the same goal, all working towards the same things.
Jedan od naših strateških ciljeva do 2026. godine jeste da uposlimo 600 mladih talentovanih ljudi, organizujemo internu edukaciju, ali takođe se trudimo da uspostavimo najtešnju saradnju sa svim obrazovnim institucijama u Republici Srbiji.
I think the greatest values at IES is that most people approach it like a community and not like a company. A company is governed by the rules and a community is governed by love. So I think this value is probably the one that's paramount. It's one of the ones that really keeps me excited about working here. Looking back 1 year ago and seeing what was done and what we've accomplished, I'm content of the work that we've done so far and happy to see things that are going to happen.